Hi guys, welcome back to the Big Blue House. In this video, we're going to be getting it all done, so get ready for some serious cleaning motivation. If you've watched any of my other cleaning videos, you know that I generally like to start in the kitchen to tackle the dirtiest place first. However, in this video, we're going to be starting with the living room because on this particular day, I was cleaning after being sick for a whole week, and so I just wanted a quick win. In this video, you'll see I don't really do a deep clean, but I do a surface clean of everything. And after being sick, I think that's the way to go. Just start in slow and steady and get back to your routines and habits. I recently took out the blue throw to use, but the gray one I was using while I was sick, so I'm going to put that in the wash. This is my favorite glass cleaner. It works so much better than Windex or any other brand that I've used in the past. So I'm just going to start it off with just dry dusting everything and then go in with the spray. You do want to let it sit for like 30 seconds or a minute just to let it do its thing and then come back and wipe it down. Sometimes on camera everything looks all clean and nice, but when you get up close you realize how many crumbs and things are on the table. If you have a glass table like mine, then make sure you're cleaning both sides of the glass, the surface and then the underside as well. Because sometimes I'll think that I've cleaned something or I'm trying to clean a spot, but really it's on the other side. I like keeping a basket on the table just to corral all the different remotes that we have, or else we're always searching for them. How do you keep your remotes organized? Today I didn't want to move all the furniture and stuff. I just wanted to do a surface clean just to make sure everything is tidy. Onto the dining room, I'm just going to do the same thing, just tidy up and then vacuum and mop. I feel like when you're sick, then all of your systems just go out the window, right? And you're just bogged down a little bit, but it's good to have these systems in place because then when you do get back to your 100%, you're able to just pick up from where you left off. What are some systems that you have in place that help you, or some daily tidy habits that you have that you swear by? Having baskets in the living room is a great idea. You can corral things like throws, blankets, in this case prayer mats, and toys. And in this way, the random things in the living room have a home and it looks a lot neater. I should have done this first, but you'll see me clean the table, but yeah, generally do that first and then do the vacuum so that any crumbs that are going to fall onto the ground before you vacuum. I'm going to be wiping the table with a Lysol, and like I said, it might not look very dirty from afar, but up close it is. With the living and dining area complete, I'm going to be moving on to the kitchen. I forgot where I heard this, but the concept is that you want to start from one end of your house and then go to the other end. Or you start in like the upstairs and then you work your way downstairs. It felt like every dish we own was in the sink today, but I'm not going to make you watch that and I'll speed through the dishes. Again, I'm just doing a surface level clean, so I'm not going to be moving any of the appliances, just wiping down the surfaces. Because I wasn't feeling well, I didn't do any of my daily or general tidy routines, and so the counters had really gotten out of hand. So I cleaned and organized the inside of my kitchen drawers a few weeks ago. However, my donation pile is still on the counter waiting to get dropped off. Let me know if you're guilty of this as well. Onto the stove. After wiping the surface down with the Lysol, I'll be going back with Dawn Power Wash and letting that sit for a little bit and then wiping that off as well. Let me know if you have any tips on how I can scrub the stove a little bit better, because there's a couple spots that no matter how much I try to clean, they just don't go away. I'm using Dawn Power Wash also to scrub the sink, and then using this brush that I got from IKEA. Moving on to the floors, I'm going to vacuum and mop real quick. In case you're wondering, I forgot how long the vacuum actually runs for, but what I usually do is I'll vacuum one room and then put the vacuum to charge, mop the room, then go back and use the vacuum in the next room, and that way it's always charged. If I don't put it to charge between each use, then it will be good for the living room, dining area, the kitchen, and then usually it dies by the time I get to my room. Onto the bedroom. I'll start by putting away the laundry and then tidying up in the room. Laundry for me is literally the task that is done on a weekend and then it takes me 5 days to put it away. Let me know what task you dread doing the most. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We got a lot done, and I hope that you were able to get some things around your home done as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.